Yeah, this is another section. That's the fourth one. Dashboard widgets. So this summary of the report. This is admin now. So the admin. If you are a new admin, you've not set up anything. You have more of these. I'll set up some. That's why you're not seeing some of them. Okay, I don't yet have section contents CLMT. That is gallery intro. Let me show you what I mean by this. Gallery intro is like an additional info in your gallery page. Now, if I add anything on it, it will appear here. But I'm not going to do that. Now, if you want to add additional info to this page, this is default. You have your images and all that. You have additional, maybe welcome to my gallery and all that and all that. You can change it. It will change this. This actually. It will change this default information. You just see a small content there. Alright. The socials also have not been set up. The contact form, email, phone number, and X. If you go to the bottom of the page, you see your social. You just okay. I've set up most of them. That's why they are not appearing here. Then we have talked about the reports. Then the total statistics of the site can also be seen here. We have 9 users. Running this on my local machine. So I already have 9 users, 304 views, 2 mails sent by me. And all I know as the admin, you check what is happening on the site, whether I have much images, control over them to know how much bandwidth you are going to add to your subscription. 13 posts already, 8 comments, 7 replies, and all that, the ratings and all that. So the admin, you have the privilege to see a lot of statistics. Then the user, this is where it gets very interesting. You can get the report per month if you want, weekly, yearly, and all that. All here to change in real time. I prefer this month actually. So you know whether last month you have more users and all that. Then the newsletter, it keeps track of the newsletter you have sent. Okay, newsletter sent. You know whether you're keeping up to your quota. Subscribers, those that subscribe to the newsletter as well. I think we have only 1 user here. Then the blog post. You know whether you're posting enough and all that. It's smart enough. You need to have this. It is smart enough. Then we'll go over to other widgets. This is just the overview widget. So under it, we'll have the user mails, how much people are sending mails, guest mail. Now this guest account, I didn't talk about it. Okay, the guest account is a special account. It can be unlimited. You just set it up for people to use. You make the username and password public. What it means is at the end of the day, maybe you want people to test your product, your website, your newly launched website to have a feel. The admin can delete this guest account. We don't have any guest account now at any time with all the related attachments and resources. It's wonderful. All right, the ratings, the comments, the reactions, the received DM, and all that. These are the included widgets. Yeah. So see you in the next session. We'll talk about the application settings by the admin. See you there.